Hey guys, it's Kinley, and today I have to make slime, cause today's Wednesday, tomorrow's Thursday, and I just came home from school. Sorry, I look a mess, but I have to make slime for my friends, at cheer on Saturday and Sunday because we're gonna have a lock-in, and my friend wants me to bring slime because everybody loves slime in my cheer thing. So we're gonna make slime today. So yeah. So here's what I have today. One, because the other one it only had like this much left, so I used it all. This one still has this much left, so we good on the glue. Okay, I think I might text my friend or tell my friend tomorrow to bring clear slime because I'm running out of clear glue over here. Well, we're gonna make it pink. They don't care what color it is. Sorry, I'm a little like stuffy. It's just like, sorry. So we put 2 drops of paints in that. And sorry y'all can't see my eyes. It's just, you know, it's too big. It's almost there. Voila. So this is the pink it is. It's pink color. Then I like to just make the regular slime first. Then I'll make the thing. Who's ever sitting? Sorry, hold on guys. Okay guys, sorry about that. So now I'm mixing in the baking soda. Okay, done with that. Really stuffy. Okay. So now, oh yeah guys, and I'm just telling the people, I'm just telling people this, but I sell slime at school, if you don't know that, and I'm trying to fill this jar up, because once I fill this jar up, I get to go change it in, and I'm going to fill this up, my tip jar, and a couple more things, then I get to go put it in. But I do my chores now. All that stuff. I'm getting a little cold here, so I'm so stuffy because I don't feel good. So it's almost there. I'm gonna make it a little bit sticky. If y'all don't know, I make my slimes a little bit sticky because you gotta put the foam beads and they need to be stuck in there. Oh yeah, and if you're new to my channel, please, if you like this video, please subscribe to my channel and you'll see more of them, and like this video. So if you can, because some people can't because they don't have YouTube channels. Like I used to not, whatever it's called, and now I do because I have a YouTube channel. So yeah. Okay, I'm gonna start putting it down. Oh wait, actually, hold on, just 1 second. Since it's it needs to be a little bit more, you know, contact solution. I'm going to put contact solution on the table. If y'all, I do this new thing. I do it now. Like every time my slime is sticky and I want to knead it, I put contact solution on the thing and just, you know. Sorry if y'all can hear Logan Paul in the back. It's my little sister. She's watching Logan Paul. So sorry about that, but it's okay. It's okay. It's okay, right, guys? It's okay. So I'm just gonna get that out. And then when I'm done like making the actual slime, like with the foam beads and all, I'm gonna get the rest. But yeah. So here it is right now, and it's kind of sticky. So that's good. So I'm gonna go ahead and add the foam beads. I got fatter foam beads. I just spilled some like everywhere, so it's okay. That should be good. I know some fell on my desk, but it's okay. It's okay, guys. It's okay. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, guys. In the comment section below, here's the question for the day. In the comment section below, tell me, do you like people from your school, like, looking at your channel? Like, do you tell them your channel? Oh, yeah, guys. And if you don't know what light foam means, or or half foam means, it means, like, it's not crunchy slime. It's, like, only a little bit foam, like this. It's only a little bit. Hear that? I love light foam slimes. It just like, I don't know, I just like them. My favorite slimes to make is clear slime, regular slime, and crunchy slime. Fluffy slime is a little bit hard for me because once you add a bunch of shaving cream, it doesn't work sometimes. So I don't really like making fluffy slime, but it's one of my favorite slimes. Like, not to make though. So this is what light foam I mean. So I'm gonna bring this definitely to the lock-in. That's what it's called, lock-in. Okay, so I'm gonna leave this in a container. Well, a bag. I need to get more containers, guys. I like have none. Oh yeah, guys. And I would blow all the air out because if the air gets in the slime, it's gonna make it the contact solution So we're definitely bringing this to lock in. Hopefully it doesn't get nasty till then. But yeah. Okay. Now next slime. Let's get on with the next slime. Okay, guys. Let's get on with the next slime. Now, just a little thing I'm gonna tell y'all. I might video me, do a YouTube video of me at the lock-in. So yeah, there might be a little bit of drama, but ignore that part. I don't know. It's a maybe or a no. It's a yes, maybe, or no. So we'll see. But yeah, let's get on with the next slime. So the next slime I'm gonna make is probably just a regular slime, like just regular. If you don't know what regular slime is, I don't know you, because I'm gonna make this about a little big batch. So it's a pretty big batch. Y'all can't really see on the camera. But yeah. So okay, let's see. What am I doing? Okay. Let's make, I like making my slimes like glossy, and I kind of know how to make glossy slime, so I'm gonna add water right now. then let it sit for just a little second. Add the baking soda. What's in there? And then I'm just gonna mix it in till all the water mixes in with the glue. Okay, it's almost there. Okay, that's good. Okay, so now that the baking soda's in, we can add the cone puck. Actually, I'm not gonna add contact solution. I'm gonna add Gain. So yeah. Oh yeah, and it's just gonna be a regular white color. Oh, I'm being racist. It's just gonna be this color. The color of the glue. There we go, I'm not being racist. Okay. Gain works better if you're making glossy slime. For me it does. I don't know for y'all, but for me it does. So I'm gonna add more baking soda. So much contact solution. If you put a lot of contact solution in, it will make it glossy, like straight up glossy. Can't wait to look at this one. It's gonna be so pretty because it's gonna be like a white, a glue color, and it's gonna be glossy. This feels good. Especially, guys, when all the water mixed is in it, there's like no water left. Like it's not even dripping. Like all the water is in this slime. That's why it's so stretchy. And glossy slime, one of my favorite to make. Gnarly, dude. Okay, so I'm definitely gonna save this one because it's really pokey and it looks like a cloud and it's so let's put it in a bag. Sorry about that, my little sister. There you go. So I'm definitely gonna bring this slime. Today, right now I'm just gonna make 3 slimes on this video and then I'm gonna make another one, make 3 slimes on that one. So yeah. So, sorry about that. Let's get on with the next one, guys. Kind of got, my phone died. So, I was going to say, sorry I haven't been posting in a while. So, this is the end of the video. So, thanks for watching. If you haven't already, please smash that subscribe button, smash that like button. Thanks for watching. Bye, guys.